Hey everyone, Ryan here, and today I want to talk about why you'll fail at vlogging. That doesn't sound like such an inspiring topic to talk about, so let me clear it up a little bit. When I say why you'll fail at vlogging, I don't mean why you will fail at vlogging. I don't know you. I just mean in a general sense, why you'll fail at vlogging if you do these 5 things. Alright, I'm gonna jump into a big doozy and an obvious one, but it is for sure the absolute reason why you'll fail at vlogging and why I personally have. Around this time last year, I said something around the lines of, I'm just gonna give it a try. I've committed to it in 2019 as my New Year's resolutions to do a lot more travel vlogs, or simply just do travel vlogs. Oh, I had such lofty aspirations of vlogging every week, and then that turned into vlogging every month or 2 for about 4 vlogs, and then I stopped vlogging, and I haven't vlogged since February or March. Just like blogging or writing, photography, videography, painting, any kind of artistic endeavor that you do or hobby, you just have to keep at it no matter what, especially no matter how many likes you get. And that leads me to number 2. I spent years blogging, doing photography and videography with different varying levels of success. And when I say success, I don't mean comments and likes and followers. I mean doing it on a consistent and regular basis. And when I have let that fall to the wayside and lost that passion and energy for what I'm doing, it's always been because I've been worrying too much about likes and comments and followers. There's nothing more that saps the energy out of a creative process more than just worrying about likes. I know, it's hard these days because everything seems like it's shared on social media. In most industries, social media is really important, especially this kind of industry. What matters most though is sticking with it and building the kind of audience you want, not just hoarding a bunch of hearts. Not doing it for the likes or followers, because if you do, you will lose the joy in what you're doing. Trust me, I know. I've lost momentum so many times because I'll post something and then within an hour I'll look at it and one person's liked it and I'm like, what? No one likes me? No one likes my work? Is it not good enough? Don't do it for the likes, or else you'll fail. In a world of social media and YouTube, so many people are imitating others and comparing themselves to more successful people in that field, including me. Too many times I've looked at an Instagrammer or someone else that has a bajillion followers, and then I see myself and I'm like, WTF? Why don't people like me? Then I start scouring their vlogs and reading all the articles about how to up your vlog game and thinking in my head, oh, if I'm a little bit more like them, maybe people will start to follow me or like me. Something happens at this stage, and I guarantee it's happened to you before, because it happens to me all the time. Thinking that you won't be as good as the others. Just like anything in life, if you think you're not good enough, you'll never be. The thing is, you don't have to be as good as the other vloggers or really as good as everyone else. You just have to be good at being you. Don't worry about having a fancy office or a red camera or a really cool studio. Just use what you have and use your personality. Now, I love the Peter McKinnons and the Becky and Chris's and the Mango Street peeps, but the world doesn't need another one of them. They've done it. They've got their style, doing their thing. You do you, and stop comparing yourself to the others. Find something unique that you love and roll with it. I know I need to already follow my own steps. Maybe this is a subconscious intervention. But the thing that always threw me off most with vlogging was not planning. Many big vloggers out there always stress the importance of planning, and from my own personal experience, I can tell you, if you don't plan, you will fail at vlogging. Now, as a traveler, I rarely ever plan. I kind of get a little anxiety if I plan too far ahead. Now, sometimes it ends up in a glorious adventure, and other times, more often than not, I'm left sleeping on the porch of a restaurant in a torrential downpour in the middle of nowhere because I have no place to stay. Trust me, it happens a lot. And that's kind of like vlogging. Sure, sometimes you can not plan and it can work out, but most of the time, If you don't plan, you'll end up with an epic mess. Now, if you're gonna do a vlog and you don't write a script out or even a general idea of what you wanna talk about, or if you're going on a trip and don't plan out any shots but you wanna vlog about that trip, you're going to end up with a mountain of either talking points for the vlog or even a bigger mountain of content at the end of your trip that you have to sift through. And then when you try to set up the project, it's just going to seem more and more daunting every time you look at it, and then you'll never get around to actually editing anything. Plan it out, trust me. Now, my last piece of advice, if you don't choose a topic or a niche that you're passionate about, that you really love, and something to really focus on, you will fail. Experimentation is good, but do it under an umbrella of things. You can do photography, videography, how-tos, travel, makeup, tech, whatever you want, but just try to get an idea of what you want to vlog about and choose that to focus on. Something that I've noticed with a lot of successful vloggers in the sense of continuing on with the vlogging on a regular basis and building an audience, they've always focused on one specific thing or an idea of things that all kind of relate to each other. Eventually, once you get a little momentum, sure, you can break away and branch off into travel and food or hiking and knitting or something like that. First, really pinpoint and focus on your topic or niche. I know so many travelers that are now focusing on photography tutorials, and I know so many photographers that are focusing on tech reviews now. But it's best first to focus on your topic or niche, or else you will fail. Alright, quick recap. You will fail at vlogging if you stop vlogging. Now, I know that sounds obvious, but vlog as much as you can, because if you leave it for a month or two, it's just as hard as getting back into the gym after that long. Number 2, you will fail at vlogging if you do it for the likes. Do it for you. Things don't happen fast, except for hating it if you're doing it for the likes. Number 3, you will fail at vlogging if you compare yourself to others. Trust me, I've done it so many times before, and all you do is end up sulky and bummed out. Number 4, you will fail at vlogging if you don't plan it out. You'll end up with thoughts and content everywhere in a massive traffic jam and go nowhere. And lastly, number 5, you will fail at vlogging if you don't choose a topic or a niche and try to be everything and do everything. Choose a topic you love and go for it. To be honest, I did this video to dissect all the reasons why I personally failed at vlogging in 2019. I set out with such high energy and aspirations and didn't get any of it done. So I hope some of my failures will help you kick vlogging's ass in 2020. If you have any comments or advice or lessons that you've learned with vlogging or some that you want to share, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again if I follow my own rules and continue vlogging.